You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, these two words, especially the top word, the top name. It's pronounced as Claude. It comes from French Claude. Claude is the French pronunciation. In English, it's normally pronounced as Claude in British English, or Claude in American English. And Claude is very same sound as code, all right? If you're coding on a computer, code, the code, or cracking the code, same sound. Claude, code. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.